What's in Pandora's box? We're about to find out.
It was.
how weird the workers are acting in Pandora's Box, the store. That's why I call it What's in Pandora's Box. To show you how when I look at them, they all move. They have to keep moving. Look how much moving there is for no reason. Moving heads, hair, pointing, walking. Look, keep looking. That's our store for today, guys. Pandora's Box. Look how weird it is. They're always moving. The whole time, moving, moving, moving for no reason. Keep looking. Everyone in the store, from the workers to the people. Keep looking. Moving, moving for no reason. Look, they're running in front of me to try to distract me from what I'm shooting. What is in Pandora's Box, guys? Motion. Lots of motion. Fake people doing fake things. Look at them, they have to keep on moving the whole time. For no reason, movement, because I'm looking at them the whole time, turning away and looking. Look how they're looking up here now, where I am. They want to know where all that signal is coming from, you see? You see that I tell you the truth? About there's something that they're receiving when I look at them to move. See how they moved away? None of them is at the front desk anymore. Because looking at them, they think they can hide behind there. They ain't gonna do that. Now they're gonna move. I'm looking at them from below the window here. Look at them all moving, all moving. The whole time moving, moving, moving. For what? see that? And they'll keep on moving all day long if I stay here. They won't stop moving, all of them, for no reason. Back and forth, unnecessarily hyperish. All moving their heads, their hair. What the fuck's going on there? Playing with their hair. What the hell is this? A fashion show or they're selling jewelry? They're hiding. Look at them. They're not even into view. Look at the store. Where are the workers? They're all hiding. They're hiding at the back. They don't want to be seen anymore because every time I look at them, they have to move. Come, I'll prove it to you. You're going to like this. I'm going to point the camera at the store. All you're going to see is these people keep moving from one to another like a clown. See, they want to block my way to go down even. Idiots. Like they can block me anymore. I'm going to split them in half. Units of fucking volcano in my face. Watch them move like a bunch of fucking clowns in there. The whole time. The stupid technology. Keep watching. We're on a main level now, so they're going to try to block behind the certain things. Watch. Watch this. Watch the movement. I guarantee you, the more I look at them, the more they're gonna move. Watch. Keep looking. For no reason. They're all gonna move. Everyone's gonna go into the store to block it now. Look how much they're gonna want to block it for me. How many people are gonna pass in front of that store to try to block the view? So you don't realize the fakeness that's going on here. Watch, come. I'm gonna come more close up to show you. Even, come. See how many people are crossing now? Look. Come, look. Look at the fakeness. How many people are gonna go in? Look. To see the fakeness of this imposed in front of me. Watch. All they're gonna do is move now. Watch. See how close they're coming to the phone? They don't like it when I film this shit. Because they're gonna move like a bunch of clowns, all of them. They're gonna keep moving. They're not gonna stand still. Look. They're gonna keep moving like a bunch of clowns. All of them just moving. Why are they moving their heads? Walking back and forth. Watch. I'm gonna take you back far away because it's better. All they do is move. I've been filming that store for like a half an hour for no reason. Moving. So they're gonna close soon. It's almost 6, but at least I got you guys some good footage today of that fake Pandora's box over there. Look. They pretend that they're talking. All they want to do is move their heads in weird ways and arms and legs and just pretend that they're serving people. Nobody's serving anybody in there. All they're doing is just moving and pretending that they're doing something. They ain't doing jack shit. Watch. Gonna expose more and more of this before I escape this brutal prison. Watch. Keep looking at the store, keep looking at the store. Watch, they're gonna keep moving. Watch, to show you how fake. Look how they block my way. Look. Watch. They don't even want to close the store anymore. Look. They keep moving. All they do is move. That's it. Nothing else. They're not selling anything. Nobody's buying anything. They just move. See, scratching their arms, their hair, their arms. Look at the way they're moving, how weird it is. They're like a bunch of cyborgs. Look. All you see is movement when you look at that store. From the workers to the people. All you see is heads moving, hair moving, arms scratching. All they do is go back and forth and pretend they're showing the customers something. They're not showing them jack shit. Keep looking. See how the girl with the yellow shirt's looking up here? Because she wants to see where that signal's coming from. Movement, moving, back and forth, back and forth. That's it, for no reason. Because that's not normal people that work at that store, guys. I guarantee you, ask anybody who works at that store, they'll tell you, you've never seen these workers before in their lives. Anyways, everything's gonna close now, so at least I got you good enough footage of that fake Pandora's box. She's gonna move, watch. 1, 2, 3. See? How did I know that? Watch behind me, watch. See the guy over there behind me? He was waiting there. I'll show you now which guy. This guy that's walking with the head down. He was waiting. As soon as I turned back, boom, he did the movement. I'm gonna show you more and more of this. We're gonna equip ourselves with better cameras from now on. I'm gonna expose this. Get out of this stupid fake world that I've been imprisoned in for such a long time. Fucking pricks. I'm gonna get out whether they bring in 8 billion people on the planet. If they turn all 8 billion, I'll still come out. I want this to go through the thick skull of the bastard who's running this on top. 8 billion, motherfucker. I'll still come out. Sorry guys for the bad language, but some people you gotta teach them manners. Like this really ugly, sneaky looking, nasty piece of shit who's doing this from the top. And the reason why I use those words, because they fit the characteristics of any of those people on top. Look, they're playing now drums, always, at night, in the daytime, any excuse to make noise. So stupid, like it works. It doesn't work anymore. Look at the traffic, look. All the cars waiting, look. Meaningless. Why is there so much traffic around on Sunday? It's never like this, never. It's closed off for the Truman Show. I'm fucking hungry. Sorry guys, but I ain't gonna, look. This is ridiculous. And these weird heads, these people. You're living in a circus. But we're gonna pierce it this week, and we're gonna show this bastard what he's made out of. I'm gonna show you guys everything fake about this and expose it right out. They always have to play those stupid drums for me every time I get to Dundas and Young. Look, he's gonna play even harder now to hear that stupid noise. Can't even get out this way. Look, it's blocked off. I'm gonna get away from this stupid fucking noise. Look, all up my ass and nobody here. How come there's no one here? Now they'll come from the front. Look how many are gonna show up now. Look, from the front there. How many are gonna cross? Look, keep looking. Get away from these bastards. There's nobody around. It's a one big mile to see the ambulance over there in the end. That's it. They close it off and they put this shit here for me. And all these assholes making money of torturing one fucking guy. I will bury this show very soon. Bury it. Mark my words. I will bury it. Because it shouldn't exist to begin with. Okay guys, I'll keep some footage for important stuff. We got about 36 minutes left.